Hey guys, this is Swati and today I'm going to talk about everyday makeup look for beginners, and I really like this look because it goes with everything. It's very casual and chic at the same time. I'm gonna start with a primer so that my makeup stays for longer duration and it's hot and humid. This is by far my favorite foundation, Maybelline Fit Me, and I love the finish. It is very matte and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. So I wanted to try the hand blending because we actually use our hands to blend everything out when it comes to powder or cream products. It's a great tool, but I felt that when you use a brush with this particular foundation, the blending is much better and you do not see the uneven spots. This is my favorite concealer from MAC. I have used it like it's been like 4 years, and when I used to work at MAC I have realized that this stays in humid and hot environment. This is not gonna disappoint you. If you have similar pigmentation around the eye area, this is the best one to use. Going over the mouth area as well because it tends to be more darker, and if you're wearing a lip color, it's nice to have color correction around the mouth area. I'm using NYX HD finishing powder just a little bit so that everything is set. If you're using a dark lip color, make sure that you fill your eyebrows because it just balances out the whole look. This is a lovely budget eyeshadow that I use every single day. It's a good example of transitional colors. Now I'm using a darker shade on the outer corners and on the crease area just to give a little bit of depth. If you just do this, your eyes won't look flat and just one color. This adds a lot of interest to the whole eye look. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Let's move on to the inner corners. I'm using a gold shimmer eyeshadow from NYX. It opens up the eyes and look really nice in person. Wing liner is something that I really enjoy wearing because I wear glasses in general, so it just adds little quirk to your personality. When I'm wearing an eyeshadow or kajal, I just use a black eyeshadow just to matte everything out. This is my favorite lipstick from Sephora. This is a liquid lipstick and it stays for the whole day. I love this color because it goes really well on dusk. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe guys, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.